Dropship training for Aussies, by Aussies. G'day, Grant Parker here for Dropship Down Under. If you've been looking to start your own dropshipping business right here in Australia, you're going to want to check this out. And I'm sure by now you've noticed that the vast majority of information out there on the internet is really heavily skewed towards the American market, and it can be pretty difficult to find anything that is specific to the Australian market. So we put together some free training that is made by Aussies for Aussies. In this training, we're going to go through the three main pillars that you need to successfully dropship right here in Australia. Those three pillars are: number one, how to select a highly profitable Australian dropshipping niche. Number two, how to build a highly optimized dropshipping store. Number three, how to advertise and drive high quality traffic to that store. Yes, the training is actually free, so what's the catch? Well, we're going to make an offer towards the end of the training for those who want to learn more about the full course. But if you find the free training valuable, we would love to mentor you and help you grow your business, just like we've done for many of our current students. So if you're sick of all the American BS with the people standing in front of rented Lambos and mansions and taking selfies in front of private jets, and you want some no-nonsense, down-to-earth training that is actually specific to the Aussie market, then click the link below, get instant access to our free training, and we'll see you on the inside. Cheers.